Hi, and welcome to this Partner Showcase video. My name is Guy Bartram. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at VMware for our cloud providers. And today I'm joined by Jeremy Bigler from Dizzion. So Jeremy, welcome. Thank you very much for your time today.
Appreciate it, Guy. Appreciate the invitation.
So Jeremy, just tell me a little bit about yourself and also about Dizzion. What does Dizzion do? Where do you cover? What areas of the world are you in? And what services do you provide?
Certainly. So I'm a recent join in Dizzion, coming from a long history in the service provider and cloud services space. I had product and strategy for the company, and really a continued focus on a disruptive trailblazer, if you will, approach to the market. Leading with value-driven solutions for both our partners and clients. Now, from a Dizzion perspective, to best summarize, Guy, we are disruptors. Dizzion serves our global market workforce with 65 available locations across 25 countries around the globe. Our fully orchestrated desktop and virtual application streamings create digital workspaces that simplify experience for partners and customers and really keep things business as usual. For their remote, hybrid, or premise employees. The optional workspace security, compliance, and data protection, as well as a white glove services wrappings, provide further protection for our customers, regardless of location or device.
Tell me, what are some of the challenges that your customers come to you with, especially in this kind of end compute world?
Certainly. Well, I think we both agree that the last few years have caused some significant upheaval in the way that we've classically approached business, right? Now, that aside, there are a few challenges we've observed both prior to and certainly exacerbated by the recent events for hybrid and remote work. First, maintaining and enforcing security and intellectual property protection for all types of employees, right? Remote, seasonal, contract, or even third-party resources. Next, organizations need the ability to quickly adapt, right? I think we've seen evidence of that in the past 2 years or so. Scale and pivot workplace strategies. Traditional computing models simply can't keep up with that level of flexibility. IT organizations today also struggle with optimizing both services, embracing self-service provisioning and BYOD strategies, as well as providing support for an ever-increasing application portfolio, all with increasing constrained budget usually. And then last but not least, certainly on and offboarding employees, as well as contractors, coupled with the desire to understand workforce activity and utilization, provide challenging roles for a traditional computing model.
As you said, a lot of challenges in the last couple of years for organizations, and suddenly having to move completely into a remote working situation and still manage the security and manage the onboarding and offboarding of resources has been a significant challenge. So tell me, how has your partnership with VMware helped solve some of those challenges?
I'm happy to say VMware has been a key partner with Dizzion throughout our journey. Not only the industry-leading technology stack, but also expert roundtables, joint technology roadmaps, and other partnership opportunities. VMware's enterprise market penetration makes the journey to a digital workspace a simple process, which adds simplicity and reduces complexity for our customers' internal journeys. Now, our custom-tailored Horizon enterprise stack, along with Workspace ONE, VeloCloud, and Cloud Director, has also leveled up our internal performance, customer experience, and self-service capabilities. And NSX forms the basis behind our security stack, providing additional protection from ransomware and other malware impact. Certainly something that we've seen a rise in, again, in the last several years. Finally, VMware's global operations and international excellence supports our new market development and continued multinational customer experience. It's been a great side-by-side journey thus far, and we're looking forward to the next chapters.
You're providing a fairly comprehensive set of VMware services there, and obviously complemented with additional services that you provide. If you were just to kind of share the results of a customer, perhaps a customer story that you can share, you don't have to say name or anything, but exemplify the type of issues and challenges that they had and how your work with VMware product sets helped solve those challenges.
Sure. We've got a pretty incredible story to tell regarding customer impact globally. Now, most of our clients are covered under NDA, but a few metrics that I can share. First, for one customer, we've reduced new employee onboarding and offboarding time and challenges from hours down to about 5 minutes or less. That was a few of our international clients that were quickly scaling a remote workforce to compensate for the change in premise work environments classically taken. Building on that, we also dramatically simplified bring your own device and really work from anywhere options for clients. Transcom, for example, we realized significant savings on their behalf in time to manage, patch, and update services for their 29,000 or so worldwide employees. Customer experience is fast, and I mean really fast, Guy. Our cloud desktop performance has been favorably benchmarked against MacBook Pros. And no more spinning wheels, right, while we're waiting for application response. In addition, we manage up to 65% desktop-related compliance controls for customers, which dramatically shortens their compliance journey, complexity, and cost. Dizzion's digital workspace is the only market solution to actually run call center as a service software, like Five9 at peak performance, and with certifications from major call center as a service providers without a ton of extra tuning or additional cost options. And then finally, our partner community benefits from white label service automation, dramatically improving their time to market, time to revenue, and worldwide point of service presence for new market expansion.
That's certainly very impressive capabilities you've got there and some great results for customers. If there are any upcoming offerings that you want to talk about and share at the moment, anything new and exciting coming down the line?
I wish I could fully open the book on that one, Guy. Some pretty exciting stuff. What I can share, though, is this year's roadmap includes first our FedRAMP journey for PATO and full ATO certification. And that's going to further enrich our public sector market outreach and value that we're able to bear there. Dizzion's created the only full service end-to-end Horizon vCenter and soon-to-be Cloud Director orchestration and management platform. We call that C3, and we're going to be releasing a software as a service subscription for that platform for a more DIY perspective for partners and providers today. And then finally, we continue to expand further into the public cloud space beyond our VMC on AWS and Azure markets.
Wow. So I'm very happy to hear you've got Cloud Director thrown in there as well. That's a product that I own and run. So it's really nice to see you guys using that as well. So Jeremy, we've heard a lot of stuff here. So if you just want to kind of wrap up, what is Dizzion's value proposition? What makes you guys unique? If you're going to wrap it up for a customer, why should customers work with you?
Well, I'll start with what really foots back to our core brand and product value since our inception in 2011. Dizzion unifies our differentiation really under 3 Ps: platform, performance, and protection. Our platform offers more choices, more control, true any cloud really approach, with 65 locations for global reach, multi-cloud integration, and a do-it-yourself to full turnkey support option portfolio. It also simplifies digital workspace deployment. Our proprietary C3 platform that we just talked about makes a complex IT service easy and fully automated. And that platform also empowers digital transformation. Alongside workflow automation and simplified management, it also includes integration with multi-cloud and in-house environments. The second P, performance, really speaks to not only desktop performance, with Dizzion holding the top spot in that category, but also uptime and availability, backed by 4 nines of uptime and using full high availability architecture across all layers of service delivery. That really is a service that brings true peace of mind for our partners today. Finally, with options of supporting emerging technologies such as virtualized GPUs, microsegmentation, advanced intelligent traffic shaping, self-healing networks, etc., Partners now have a way to monetize next generation opportunities without having to navigate the cost and complexity of a true do-it-yourself approach. Now, the last P, protection, really speaks to a safety net of advanced security and compliance services that we offer. Today, we hold HIPAA, PCI, GDPR, and SOC 2, among others. And as mentioned, we're also on our journey towards FedRAMP PATO certification. But protection doesn't really stop at compliance. Protection also covers the ability to understand insights into workforce activity. Our unified endpoint management suite of services gives partners and their customers the ability to understand and manage whatever device or devices their employees may use. Finally, controls within the platform provide for appropriate information and data governance, as well as sovereignty for applicable locations.
So you guys are really covering end-to-end a whole portfolio of solutions and future-looking application development for customers who want to modernize applications and then perhaps serve those applications out to their workforce as well in a secure and high-performance way.
That is correct. But interestingly enough, Guy, what I think really matters to a partner at the end of the day is that of a true partnership, right? Different from a traditional vendor relationship. A partnership like that really seeks a true win-win for both parties and really engages not only in deal pursuit, but also enablement, cooperative market development, access to key subject matter expertise, and similar benefits. Coming from the provider consumer space myself, right, that type of relationship truly does check the boxes for what I saw in any true partnership engagement.
And customers, as they're looking to maybe move to cloud or engage app modernization or help their workforce on board, they need a partner who understands their business, who understands and has the experience and knowledge and the skills in all of these different areas. Because it's really quite a lot to kind of manage by yourself if you're a customer.
Spot on. You're really looking for someone to help curate that journey on your behalf. Yeah. And look for ways that partners can accelerate time to market and time to revenue, quite frankly.
Yeah, I fully believe that the most successful partners we work with are partners who are, really participating in the customer's business and understanding the customer's business, and also having successful partnerships themselves so they are able to extend and differentiate their portfolio more. So finally, Jeremy, how should customers get in touch with Dizzion and find out more information about the services you provide?
Certainly. The best route is via the World Wide Web, of course. Our address is www.dizzion.com/VMware. And that'll benefits of the partnership and our service offerings.
Fantastic. Jeremy, thank you very much for your time today. It's been really good to listen to you talk about Dizzion and the services you provide. Thank you.
Guy, true pleasure. Thank you very much.